video, I'm going to show you how to make miniature glasses. Before I get started, I just wanted to show you a pair of glasses that were sent to me from Firmoo. Firmoo.com sells affordable and stylish eyeglasses and sunglasses. They come in this lovely case and they only cost $20. The glasses also come with a small screwdriver and screws if you need to adjust your glasses. I picked these glasses because I loved the quirky design. Also, the quality is really good. They fit comfortably on my face and don't slip off. If you're interested in buying a pair for yourself, I've left a link to their site and a promo code in the description box.